Alright, this video is going to show how to do a rotation of 90 degrees but clockwise. So when we do this, we need to follow a couple simple rules in which we are going to switch our X and Y, but our X changes signs. Alright, so when we look at this, we need to identify what our ordered pairs are. So I've got my 3 points, and we'll start off with this one on the left, and we'll call that A, and that ordered pair is -1, 3, and we'll go down, that one's B, and that one is 2, 1, and this last one, C, and that one is 5, 4. Alright, so when we do this, we need to identify what our new points are, and they're going to be called prime. So A prime, we're going to look at what A was. Well, A was -1, 3. When we switch them and we change our sign, so that means it's going to be 3, and then I'm going to change what my X was, which was -1. It's now going to be +1. So A prime is 3, 1. For B prime, I've got 2, 1, and so I'm going to switch them, and I'm going to have 1, and since 2 is positive, it's now going to be negative, so 2 -2, so 1, -2, and for C prime, that was 5, 4, so that's going to be 4, but since I was a +5 before, it's now going to be a -5. Alright, so I'm going to now make my new points. I'll change the color and erase what I had originally, so we can see. So my new point for A prime is 3, 1, so 3, 1. It's my new A, that's A prime. B prime is 1, -2, so 1, -2, that's my B prime, and C prime is 4, -5, so 4, -5. So these are my new points. I'm rotating it clockwise. So I'm going to now connect my points and create our image that we have. And as I look at this, I'm rotating around the origin, so understand that it might not look right away what it is, but we're rotating it around the origin, which is 0, 0. So this is rotating around clockwise, like on a clock. So it started up around, the 12 o'clock, and now it's going down to, 6 o'clock. So it's rotating around the clock clockwise.